And we're now Europe's top dealer, #1, and I think we're about 6th in the world.
Richmond Cars, when we originally started working with them, was a very much smaller business. They've grown very rapidly over the years, but the problems they were facing were old technology, not enough flexibility of the system. They had been working with other providers that didn't give them the sort of responses they needed quickly to their business.
The iPECS communication system is key to what we do day to day. Customer service and customer relationships is everything to Richmond. For the business to grow and to keep on growing, we need to have people coming back. They need to be impressed with our level of service, and we need to back it up through everything that we do with them.
Richmond faced an issue with having at least 3 sites where they have full service teams and people that look after customers in how to manage that centrally. So recently they've moved all of their service call handling here to Portsmouth, and here they look after booking of all customers, whichever site it's for, is booked here and handled here.
The iPECS system is key to us being able to see what is happening at the other sites, so we're not just monitoring what we've got going on in our office, we can keep an eye on what's going on in the other offices, especially when we're passing through customers to different departments.
One of the greatest benefits of having the Ericsson LG system is that it connects all my dealerships together so that we're just dialing into internal extensions.
Richmond have 3 main sites which we've rolled out the iPECS platforms in all 3 sites. So at the main site we have an iPECS 300 and the other 2 sites are iPECS 100s. The logic behind this is it gives us a full IP platform. The phones that were used were the iPECS IP handsets of the 8000 series range that give the customer the ability to be flexible within their own premises. If they need to move staff around, they can do that. Each site has a local administrator that can look after the network. Plus, from here, they have their own IT guy that can manage any of the sites centrally from here.
It makes it very easy to relay customers to the appropriate departments. It makes the outbound calls very easy because we can get all the information on the screen and not even have to need to go near the telephone itself.
One of the challenges of making outbound calls is how do you make sure that between looking at the screen or reading something on the page that you actually dial the number correctly, and how do you speed that up? So using click to dial technology, we don't need to look at the screen anymore. It's highlight and go. It's speeded up their calls and reduced inaccuracies.
To be able to use it straight from the screen makes the process a lot quicker, and for us able to concentrate on the information that we're adding into the screen when we're booking in people.
With this latest technology, we've been able to focus on the things that we do best.
The iPECS system has lent itself very well for us to be able to increase revenue, especially on the new site, because we can get the information that we need regards to customers, so we're not going in completely cold on people.
For mobile working, we have a mixture of solutions. At the top level, the staff that move between sites all have communicator applications. They're a big iPhone user on site, so it sits very neatly on that. They have Wi-Fi at all 3 of their sites, and as soon as they're on site, they've got an extension. We've got those set up as personal hunt groups, so they're contactable anywhere on the site.
Well, Korean brand just deliver quality, they deliver efficiencies, and they deliver, most importantly, what the British public need and demand today, value for money.
With the Ericsson LG product, we're aiming to give a full solution to each of our customers. Their job is to know their business, our job is to interpret their business needs and deliver solutions within the Ericsson LG range for them.
We've seen the growth in after sales dramatically, and we're about to see the growth in sales dramatically too. But with this increased technology and what the call centre is going to deliver is going to be amazing in the next year.